quick on the feet, fast racket movement and so on. It just seems that so far the Indonesians have been just a little better than the Malaysians when they're playing. So a meeting between these two pairs.
Definitely wide. Yeah, good call, my judge. Sure, that's Shuttle had gone past him when he intercepted it in around the head action. But it is a 2-point advantage.